guys, it's Marcy. Welcome back to my channel today. I wanted to come on and share with you my quick, everyday, 10-minute makeup look. This is my go-to makeup look. It's quick, it's easy, and I use the same colors every single day. The only time I change up my makeup is if I decide to wear red, pink, purple, if I want a little bit more of a dramatic look, things like that. But for quick, everyday, when you're in a hurry, busy mom, busy life, appointments, you wake up late, this is a great way to do your makeup, and it's pliable, it's easy, the colors blend together really well, so it is my go-to everyday 10-minute makeup look. So I hope you enjoy it, and please subscribe to my channel, like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will list all of the items I use on my face down in the description below. Okay, here we go.